Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit notifications so you don't miss my next video. So a customer called me, this is back in October. She needed a new water heater, told me her existing water heater was leaking all over the basement. So what we did was we replaced it with a Rheem propane power vented unit. As you can see here, I'm lining things up by eye to make sure it looks the best. So here I'm setting up the cold side with the expansion tank, making minor adjustments, moving the heater as needed. Here I'm working on the hot side, pressing all those fittings. And now I'm working on the cold side and hooking that up to the existing pipes in the house. So now I'm hooking up the propane. I reused all the fittings for that and the valve. It's pretty good. So I like to clean up a little bit after the job. I think it looks pretty good. I like to tie wrap the cords and just make everything look nice. And I also wipe off the fittings if they need to be, like the expansion tank with the Teflon tape and pipe dope. I always wipe off the excess. It was pretty tight to get it with everything involved. That was pretty much, I think, the best case scenario where I put that valve. As you can see, tie wrapping off the cord. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, or if you think you would have done something differently, I'd love to hear it. Let me know what you think about the job, how it looks. Until next time, please like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. All right, now I have to rant a little bit. While I was editing this video, I got a message on YouTube. Someone commented, "Looks like the handyman thinks he's a plumber and knows everything. LMAO." Well, that's kind of funny, because I've probably been in the plumbing and electrical and home improvement fields longer than you've been breathing. 52 here, and been doing this kind of work since I was 13 years old, so I think I know a little bit. Anyway, it's funny how you get these people. And I'm not trying to put down plumbers and electricians. I apologize if I come off a little abrasive toward you guys. I want you to watch my videos too. But if you're going to get this high and mighty complex that you know, oh, I'm the king of plumbing, or I'm the king of electrical, and nobody knows anything, or a handyman is just a handyman. You know, don't lump me into that same category, okay? Yeah, there's some unskilled handymen, and probably most of them out there might fit that bill. But you can't take somebody. You don't know my past. You don't know what I've done, what I've learned, and what I've experienced. You didn't know that I've been doing this since I was 13. You didn't know I went to school for electrical. You didn't know I was in the IBEW. You didn't know my dad had his own business, and that's how I started learning from, like I said, 13 years old. I'm 52 now. Do the math. I've been in the Navy. I was on a destroyer. I went to school for electronics and hydraulics and mechanical. You know, that just doesn't even scratch the surface of my knowledge and abilities. I'm not saying I'm a plumber who went to school for 6 years and it was an apprentice and then a journeyman and this and that. I'm also not trying to you know, plumb entire houses from scratch, or you know, wire up a whole house from scratch. I'm not saying I'm looking for those kind of jobs. So why would I want to stay in a field like that when I only need to know bits and pieces? And as long as I know those bits and pieces very well, I don't see how you guys can you know, really criticize, unless you're jealous. But I don't want to get into that, because I don't want to offend people. But you know, oh my God, you know, a lot of you guys who comment and say, "Oh, another handyman thinks he's a plumber," or "Handyman thinks he's an electrician." You know what? Why don't we compare our hourly rates, and then let's see if you have anything else to say after that. I think I'd shut you up pretty quick. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't need to justify everything. I just wanted to get that off my chest, because it's kind of irritating. But, you know, it is the way of the internet and the way of YouTube. You got these people who are behind their keyboard and you know, just have to criticize. It's like in their DNA. They just don't. They can't be nice. You know. And I'm not saying I don't have a thick skin. I do. Say whatever you want. You know, if you want to help the YouTube algorithm and you know, comment on my video and tell me how much of a moron I am, then go for it, man. Go for it. But you know what? I'm gonna delete your comment and block you. So, yeah. Anyway, why don't you get a life and do your own videos and see how easy that is. You know, see how you do it. That I'm just starting out, but you know, might be a little rusty with the you know, I'm still learning how to be in front of a camera and how to work the cameras and editing and yada yada. But okay, guys, I just had to get that out of my way, get it off my chest, and hope to see you guys soon. Please comment, and we'll see what kind of shitstorm I opened up. Please, you know, comment and let me hear what you have to say. Later.